Hi, my name is Sathvik and I'm in 6th grade. I like to play basketball and play video games like a normal kid from my grade, but I also like to do coding and robotics. My project is a fire alarm and I made it because not all buildings in the world have one and people need one for themselves. It's like a normal fire alarm that rings whenever it's sensitive fire, but it also displays on the screen what to do and how to get out of the building. It also is more affordable so people can buy it.
This is our innovative design or prototype. The fire alarm system has a special feature that tells the people inside the building what to do with the screen on the fire alarm. It also has a voice that goes along with the screen.